Tired of relying on dungeon loot for decent armor? Let's transform these unemployed villagers into master armorers, ready to supply you with iron, diamond, and even enchanted protection. First, you'll need a blast furnace. This is the workstation that armorer villagers require, crafted using 5 iron ingots, a furnace, and 3 smooth stone. Then, place the blast furnace near an unemployed villager. Make sure there are no other workstations nearby that they can claim instead. Watch closely. The villager should soon claim the blast furnace as its workstation and change its profession to an armorer. If it doesn't happen immediately, try breaking and replacing the blast furnace. Sometimes they're a little slow. Now for the good stuff. Right-click on your new armorer to open the trading interface. Initially, they'll likely offer iron armor pieces for emeralds. Keep trading with your armorer. As you trade more, they'll level up and unlock better trades, including diamond armor and even enchanted pieces. The higher the level, the better the enchantments. Protect your investment. Villagers are vulnerable to zombies and other threats. Build a small enclosure around your armorer and their workstation to keep them safe and sound, guaranteeing a steady supply of quality armor. Congratulations! You've successfully created an armorer villager. Now you're ready to equip yourself with the best armor Minecraft has to offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.